Hi everyone! Breastfeeding is one way parents can provide nutrition for their babies, and breast pumps can offer additional flexibility when needed. A breast pump allows milk to be expressed and stored for later use, which may be helpful for parents returning to work, traveling, or sharing feeding responsibilities with caregivers. There are different types of breast pumps, including manual and electric models. The best choice depends on your lifestyle, comfort, and personal needs. Remember that every breastfeeding journey is unique. What works well for one family may be different for another. If you have questions about breastfeeding or pumping, consider speaking with a healthcare professional or lactation consultant.